I think the ravens love this new area that's just 20 feet away from the staircase, drinking water, good, eating stuff. I think those are the two tame ravens. I put out more water over there in that black container. And lots of goodies and food. Oh, where a squirrel went to. That's where they would eat. But we want them over here more. And closer to here. Come on, take a bird bath. I see about 3. Alrighty, guys. And I hear them walking on the roof back and forth. I guess because they want me outside so they can talk to me. Ooh, that's a good idea. Go for it. I'll make sure you got more water a little later. What's funny, guys? What are you doing? Oh, yeah. I'm filming from inside. Oops. That's it. Go for it. Splash around. Come on. Go for a swim. Woohoo. Guys are funny. That's the Willis, famous Willis Ravens. Definitely nice and wow, look at that. First time I've seen a raven. Good swim in there. Cool. Must be a couple. Where is squirrel? Okay, looks like I have to fill that up again because you can go up there. There's a big amount of water up there. I'm having fun playing. Oh, there's the other fellow. Keep doing. Alrighty. Good going, guys.